So now let's move to the real-time examples and do our hands dirty on this platform. Okay. So the first scenario is for SEO and digital marketers, right? So let's say you are an SEO expert working on a campaign for a new fitness website. So what you need to do is you need to find unique long tail keywords that competitors aren't targeting. So what you can do is select this keyword, right? Emerging fitness trends 2025 plus the keywords, right? Just copy paste it over here, and then just uh don't click on this right now. Click on deep think R1, because this is what is actually making it stand out. Because this is actually what is making it stand apart from the competitors, right? So now, once you have selected the deep think, once you select deep think now, so what is happening is you are able to get insights on what this tool is actually thinking and why it is giving you that result. Okay, so now we have our query over here, and then now let's click on enter. So now you can see it is thinking. Okay, so now you can actually read what it is thinking and on what thought process you will be getting the results. I mean, this is something which we are not able to see currently in chat gpt, or maybe on search engines. This is what is actually making it people go crazy for this particular tool. So the search is on. So it is actually doing the work. And so yeah, so now we have the results in front of us. So it is doing the keyword research part for us, and it is actually giving us some good insights. So I mean, so I hope you must be aware of prompt engineering. So I mean, what we do is we interact with these tools with prompts, right? Just check out the answer once. So what we have told them is emerging fitness trends for 2025 and keyword opportunities. So you can actually see the thoughts. It took 46 seconds to analyze, and the thought process is written over here. And then based on it, it has actually given the answer, right? So let's say if you don't like few things, or let's say if you want uh, Deepseek to add few more points, so then we can ask actually Deepseek to search, to do some more search. So now let's type, hey, can you please do some more research on this? So now it is thinking, and it will give some more answers, or it will modify this particular answer which it has given. So it takes time, but yeah, this is how all these things work. They will take some time to analyze and process the data, and then the answers are in front of us. So it seems it is taking a lot of time, and at times it also gives this error, right? Servers are busy. So now let's stop this, and then again copy paste this query, and then paste over here, and then again click on enter. Now let's see if it works faster, or it will take time. So seems it is going to take some time, and the answers are not that fast as of now. So let's stop this and move to the next example and see if how things are working for DeepSeek. So I have stopped the search, and this is how things will work. Like, if in case it is taking a lot of time, you can simply click on stop and it will stop.